Back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice. Today's going to be a hair review video for you all today. If you are new to my channel, I'm TearaShanice and welcome to my channel. If you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. New ones that are watching my video, please subscribe, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. So I had already unboxed everything in this wig, but I am just gonna unbox everything on camera as well. So the hair came between 1 and 1.5 weeks. It came by FedEx, so everything was packaged very nicely. Nothing was wrong with my package. It came in just a white plastic envelope bag that said FedEx, and inside the bag it had 2 bags. So one bag was a Tinashe box, and the other bag was the Tinashe satin bag. So it came in both packages inside the package. So one package has all the goodies, the other package has just the hair. So I'm just going to unpack all the items that came with the bag first. So when you open it up, it comes with a wig cap, an edge brush, some lashes, some hair clips, a satin bonnet, which I already opened up. This is the bonnet. It does have an elastic band around, so this will protect your edges. And let me show y'all how big this bonnet is. This bonnet is as big as half of my arm with extra room. So you don't have to worry about your hair getting smashed. It's going to be protected with this oversized bonnet. It also comes with a comb. Last but not least, it comes with an elastic band. And y'all want to know what's so interesting about this elastic band? This elastic band is reversible. Box that the hair came in. You also get this brochure, and it also has hair care details on the inside, so you will know how to take care of this hair, and all their information is on the back. Inside of the box also has the information on it. So this is a 14-inch bob wig, and it's also curly. The bob wig, I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. This is what the bob looks like. It's actually longer than I expected. So it is 14 inches. It's a closure bob wig. And another thing about this wig is it doesn't have those pieces on the sides where you need to cut off. So this is definitely beginner friendly because a lot of people don't know exactly what to cut off with wigs. So you don't need to cut off anything with that. It's already off the wig. So this is 4x4. It does have combs on each side of the wig, and also it has combs in the middle and the bottom as well. This is the elastic band that goes on both sides of the closure. So this elastic band will go at the bottom of your braids in the back. So that's the purpose of the elastic band, to keep everything snug so it won't move. So this is going to be also a glueless install today. So I will be installing this wig glueless, absolutely no glue whatsoever. All right, so I already have my ball cap on, and we're just going to try this wig on because I haven't tried it on at all. I'm going to try it on before I even pluck anything. And if you are a beginner, you can pluck while it's on your head. If you don't really know how to pluck, just pluck while it's on your head. It's a lot easier. So I'm just going to install this wig, and I'm not going to adjust the straps because I don't know how it's going to fit on my head. So I'm just going to go ahead and install it. So this is what the wig feel like. It's so comfortable, I can say. It's nothing is tugging at my head. This wig fits perfectly, but of course I am gonna pluck my hairline and make it look more natural. But this is what the wig is looking like so far. The ends on this wig is very blunt. Did receive light shedding, like just putting on this wig, I did receive light shedding. And this wig also has a very good lace on it. So this is what the wig looks like. It's definitely shoulder length. I'm gonna turn around to the back so y'all can see the back. Y'all, what lace? That looks so good.
all began.